Yeah. Thank you, Nyabong. For all your professional photos and visuals, Deb 3 Events got you. Are you having a wedding, Baba? Birthday, graduation, church conferences, amen. Corporate events, even sadly a funeral. In need of photography, visual services, worry no more. This week, I visited Deb 3 Event Studios to do a photo shoot. Baba, ngabangena. Kwamoshakala pose. Kikwikak. Flashy lights, konapa wabulawayo. Ungasondela lawo bakuthwebule. Joshua Nkomo Street between 14th and 15th Avenue. 0716-919-313. Deb 3 Events. Your satisfaction our priority. Siyabonga, welcome to the Mfumfimfo Show. Lamhlanje, I'm taking you to church. Hallelujah. Amen.
Hallelujah.
Udomdala.
Powerful.
Uzikhipha.
Ngisha.
Mina abantu abaningi bakwazi ngo vocal X. Babiza wena ngo vocal X. Yes. How are you?
I'm all right.
Ugrand.
I think I'm fine.
You think you're fine, Mklazi?
Yes.
Uhamba njani?
I know that Katil.
Udineni.
Nah, I know I'm just coming off like a 10th anniversary.
Mm-hmm.
So I guess this is the week I've been trying to also rest and catch up with other stuff. But no, I'm all right.
But but most of sharp I understand. Because ngomunye umuntu onesengamdaka unozayo. Kodwa ngomunye umuntu ongahansi ifoni no. Mhlazi won't answer his phone.
No, I do answer. No, I answer. Every day wrong.
Yes, thank you, Siyabonga. Welcome to the Mfumfimfo Show. An exclusive once again. Namhlanje ngiphethe uMdlazi, vocal X pioneer, founder also. Yes, brought to you by Deb 3 Events TV. Please hit the notification button and make sure you subscribe. And also brought to you by ORG Media Services, who do company profiling, visual company profiling, and also in partnership with Oguhle Designs. Those who do our graphics. Namhlanje is an exclusive show. We just want to trace a journey of one of our pioneers of the gospel group or the gospel choir group known as Vocal X. And right now, Mhlezi Lomdlazi. How far was that? Once more.
Yes.
How was recently we just came from the 10th anniversary?
Yeah, it was quite an experience for me because it was a reflection of the journey actually. In Mankulmange journey from the time the team started. I think for me personally, the hating side or engati was just a dent to it. Was one of my brothers, one of my best friends, Eric, passed away. It's not even been a year now, and it's something that before his passing, we always discussing how you understand. So for me, it would have been a fulfilling moment. But otherwise, I feel then how we did, we made him proud because I cannot even stand and tell people what if he have a vocal X without his input. Also, not forgetting Mkululi. He couldn't be here, of course. Mkululi Bebe. But these are people I really appreciate. From the inception of this team, Ngabantu Skule Sonke, but they didn't then say just cause maybe mina singing I feel kuchoyasi or mina ngwini idols.
Yes.
They really took also their experience and shared it even with people in Akala now. So when I talk about the anniversary, it's been 5 generations of Vocalex now. And all of them were represented. So for me, it was just a whole complete picture. Also in song, the songs that we had selected for the particular time and event, we took songs from the first album that we did, the first project, or songs that also we did over the years. Yeah, so it was something for me. Now it was really a reflection where you kind of like sit back, ubone ukuthi, you know what, sebengathi bhadanza mina.
Yes, uzamile.
but
Siyafika khona apha ebunzimeni kugadalala. I just want to find out where may his soul rest in peace. Eric, when did you first hook up? Lahlangana nini njani? If you can still recall.
I recall everything. It was church. Besasesontweni at the time, and it was high school days actually. So besamba like same church, same youth, and everything.
Which church?
It was Family of God at the time.
Okay, and then high school.
I was at Gifford, and Eric wafunda. I remember, but at the time, besingabantwana besikolweni. And at church lapana, obviously, siyacula kunama choirs and everything. But me, back in the day, I was just a tenor, ngizimele move. And Eric vele ibaba behamba phambili, and there was a group that we started, eyafunwa ukuthiwa Worship Connection.
Okay.
Was part and parcel and lead in that team. We've got some videos sebancane when we were singing. So that's from then. And also within the same setup and institution, bekunabo family voices as well. Thuba Ncegu was also a church, same church.
Ncegu ibhonki.
Yes. Ncegu was there. There was also Cesar Mdlongwa. You know, uDeluxe.
Okay.
Umelusi.
Hey, mina bathi ngumamemeza but usiza bafu. Uyakwazi. Usiza kuyamemezo but.
Yeah. So you see, these are people that were just around then. And for this team to even come up the way it did, it was not really hard because the founding members more or less ngabantu besabane experience. Of course, me I ngeke ngaye for quite a while.
Usiya panda.
Angazi ngaziyakwenza. No, but I'd gone. Actually gone for. It started as a visit, but then I loved the place and nabantu ababe ngamukele. They really then made stuff to happen for me as well.
Nice.
And it's a blessing. I will never say it's a blessing in disguise because again. I was, Evis Lamini, Joy Celebration 5, the lady who sang about Olele.
Yes.
She was big in how I then established myself or how my eyes were opened to the real stuff musically.
Okay.
Because someone, for like 4 years, you understand? Someone who was as a sister, like she's family. So my hamba kuJoyous for my results then. I would just go and sit ekoneni and I would just watch. It was nothing like I knew before. But now eventually Mkhululi came into the system and the interest cooler musically and also just loving the environment. But also learning I discover as a person, you know what, this thing I really like and love. So anytime I would see that and also be at church, naturally, Lawe as an applier
into something.
Yes, and then when you apply yourself, you discover yourself as well. So that is more or less of also how I position and discover myself. But also as a blessing, I had people like Eric, Labo Mkhululi, where I credit them so much. In as much as I was then discovering myself in that manner, they were also pushing and allowing me to grow, sharing their knowledge as well. The time saying Kali VX, but for Silaw, call us when you need us. They will share their experiences. No, lapana silibonela kula kanje senze, so do APCD.
Wow.
So, yeah, wabanjalo nje. I guess the rest of it is just natural, and I talk of friendships and mutual respect that even is up to date.
Yes. And then Mdlazi, when uphuma kuliphi, where do you come from?
Mina, I was born and raised eMakokoba, straight eKasi.
eKasi elokishini.
Yes.
Danger ghetto.
So I was born there.
Ngaphi wathi laphana kuthiwa ko 6 kulo ngaphi kwakhona wona unga.
Mina ku Bush Street and Third Avenue Extension. So ngafunda St. Patrick's. You know
Okay.
St. Patrick's? Yeah.
Okay.
Then from ukufunda St. Patrick's ngabe ngisiyafunda eKifoti. Then from Kifoti, that's when after I left the country at the time.
Okay. Then you born which year?
It was 2000 and should have been 2003.
No, I mean like born year owazalwa ngayo wena.
Mina,
Yes.
can you take a guess? They say you say.
Umdala Mhlazi.
No, I was born in 86.
Okay. Mudini yabantu abangaki?
I have a brother. I have a twin brother actually. You know that?
You what? You
I
have
have
two
a
brothers?
twin brother. Yes.
No, angikwazi. Engicise ngeke ngahlesana naye ngathi Mhlazi awufa.
Yes, I have a twin brother, and then also I have a sister. So it's a family of 3.
Okay. Is it a musical family?
My mother sings. My young sister sings as well. Then my twin brother has no interest in music. He has no interest in stage lights. He's totally opposite of who I am. But he's a very good actor.
Oh.
Yeah. So Tina environment yami bengikuyo and where he was as well.
Okay.
Yena bekunto zama acting and everything.
And your birth name and surname being who?
Tembelani Theodore Mhlaziba.
Okay.
Yes.
So Mhlazi, like what then inspires you ukuthi uhlabela or vele wathi usukusela umncane wahlabela, or did you get inspiration sukusela umncane?
No, not at all. You know, when I was younger, I love football. I turned the disc like big time. So throughout my years, even like when I was at high school at Kifoti, people from at that time, bangers are from bangers a little orange. Music, it was something that I did not even talk or discuss about at the time. I had no interest in it like that, being laleli music like everyone else, but I didn't know I could do what I could do. It was then exposed to me, and I then developed an interest from being exposed to the actual stuff.
Okay.
So there's
So at school, primary school, you're doing sports?
Well, primary school, funny enough, ngiyakumbula ngiseba, I think it was about grade 2, 3, 4. I would go for I'm a choral. Like I think, choral. So I would go there, but I would go because I'm told to. It was not like, yes, music in your vibe. It wasn't like that. So, but that's why I'm saying, for me, even if I was doing it, it was not registering what I'm doing. It was just like participating in sesikolo.
Ufuna ubhanga. Wayefuna ubhanga athi thina ike sasikwenza wena siya actor manga ufuna ubhanga eclass. Ufuna ubhanga eclass. Yes. Okay.
So that it was just that. When I go to Ekifoti is a boys' school, right? Avela abafana nje ku-rowdy and yes, siyafuqana, siyakhaba ibhora, and that's how it was. You understand? So music really, even in Sekifort, I was never
into music.
Nah. So I would be exposed in music when I'm at church. I had a lot.
Already you were going in the family of God, or by then?
Yes. There was over. Yes, there was over Gregory Adams, Tammy Bima, Tamban, about Blessing Maposa. You know, these are the guys that were there. So Lamingang corner. And something about music, sometimes you can be around such people, not realizing you always download to your system. So naturally, I feel the grounding and the foundation of who I became. By the time I was applying myself, a lot of things were already in place.
Okay. Already into.
I feel so.
Yes.
Yes, I feel so.
Also the idea, okay, so.
Yes. And sometimes I asked, like, they would talk in my presence. They would work stuff in my presence. And in totality, I understand what they're saying. I would literally pick what they are mixing together. But the interest, I was just not locked into it.
Oh, nice. So when does interest strike then? Umjombo. Wajombo wata. I didn't think as
Nah,
music.
it was in 2010, 11. Yeah, I remember it come from SA. And that was the year Eric went to, was it Air? No, it was not Air Academy. But Eric had gone for something, a
Talent show or
competition or movie, a music something.
Mm.
Then wabethi akubambe lapha 2 seconds ngiyabuya. So I think just one racer ngibamba and naturally kwabo ejika nje vele wanthola ngibambile umsebenzi. But by then already lami ngase ngiphusha like yeah, understand.
I understand. Also pusher like.
Ngase ngiphusha ispan.
Oh, okay.
Yes. Kuyukuthi vele like when I was still in Joburg, a church, still same church. I was also in the church choir. So my applying myself to then like
Okay.
choir.
Yes.
It was then ukuthi umuntu sethe akulo omunye umuntu ndoda bamba. Then when I then did that,
Okay.
then that's when it just then began. But as well, I want to talk about, there's a video on YouTube at Welly Quest by Evis Lamin. If you watch it, I was on that clip, I was on that whole video singing already. So that environment from a commercial perspective, usulayo, ekhanda. But at the same time, you're in this environment, which is church. But then you cannot help then exercising what you have experienced even at church. Like when you say, guys, let's sing this way. I'll use the example, Eric. He goes for a competition. Mkululu goes to say, Joyas, my baby at church, they will apply their knowledge even to a choir that has never done certain things. But because they've learned, they apply what they've learned to their environment, their home. So for me, it was like that. So I think that's how I gradually also discovered myself.
So that usazi discover also and professionally, did you do, what were you doing?
When I finished my school, I went to SA obviously, and
O level or varsity?
No.
When you finished
O levels.
Okay.
I went to SA. When I came
which
back,
year wavanga it was?
Ajuthe ngakuphenduli ngitshe. No yazidlalela. It was 2003.
Okay.
Yeah. But I went just after my O's. Then when I came back, that's when I went to Paul.
Watch on GTV, you say ngari. Yina be TV la yibo koti la ma TV la ma fridge.
Oh, Malaysia.
Yes.
Nah. So when I went, I came back. That's when ngangena eBlayo Poly, of which I studied drafting mechanical engineering. But now when I then started, it was when I came back, but ngaqala ngaba khona pursuing my music, whatever I was doing, but then I went to Poly, ngafunde Poly, I did my 3 years. Then I went to work at Newman Chapman Engineers up until the time of lockdown. But all this now is the time when I was already in the system, when Vocalex was now in space and everything, yeah.
All right. So when does it strike to say, all right, now sengifuna Vocalex?
Yeah, like I've already touched on it when I was already explaining Eskatse choir, whereby, you know, Tina, even we would go for concerts, be it local or be it in SA or in Javanga. Then someone then's like, you know what? Into less la person but take yourself seriously as well. You may want to join a group. You may want, but why don't you start? Because this thing you go allow you in Zepel. So that's when it actually then I started Vocalex. And when I started, it was immediately with people that I had known or was with at the time. But also abantu identified to start the group with. They also knew other people. It's like when I say you're an actor, if I want to do something that has to do with acting, I'm like, I know Ngwazi someone I can bring her. So that was the first crew yakoni. Then the name Vocalex came from a pastor and a friend and a brother of mine called Victor Adams. He's now based in the UK. I told him about this, but I really don't know how to just pick up a name and start. Then he was like, no, okay, we'll pray about it and we'll see. After a while, he came back with the name, you know what? Vocal X. Then I'll always credit that name to him. So that's when the team started.
X which one?
Extraordinaire.
Oh.
So it's vocal extraordinaire. So in short, people say vocal X.
Okay.
Yeah. But like okunye foot that then propelled us was that our first concert was on the 7th of October 2013. Then in February amanama were here in Plawayo. But then someone had seen us sing somewhere. But like, you guys, can you come and just open up Umanama and just do the anthem? But we did it the VX way, like science and it was really
Waphuma,
you
wow.
understand. So that first report as well also then propelled the name. Then immediately as well we met the guys from Zimpraise, Joseph, which was
So it's you as the founder, what are my co-founders, what something like that. The story begins with you.
I will say yes. And acknowledging people that held my hand.
Oh yes.
Yeah, understand. Yeah, so primarily that's the case.
Okay.
So yeah, so from then Veli VX Yaqala, that was our first concert. And I think the 1st of January for 2015, that's when we did another concert. But now I'll appreciate and I'll always acknowledge people like even say Tech Show. Sisasebancane vele before even a year. Wabuya as a guest, he was already known. La umuntu, you know what, I see your potential. Athini silibambise bafana bami. And we work, people see. So throughout our journey, we've had people like that. Even Avis Lamine herself, the lady I mentioned earlier, she has been part of our concerts over the years. There's also been over under Shange. And we have a kula kunjalo naturally.
And how is the pressure Mdala now? Vocal X is more like a nation's pride.
Hey, into a pressure lana, it comes in so many ways and dimensions, and I'll explain it. When in music, you are as good as your last performance. Tina as a group calling ourselves Vocal X, yes, it's a name. People can say it's a brand, but we do not forget Uguti, it's church. We represent the body of Christ. We represent who we are, the Christians. We are commercializing it, yes, but we are Christians. So it pressure sometimes when you become a brand, people tend to distance themselves from the core values. So kule pressure leyani ukuthi when you become exposed to people, to things, kulabanye abantu who may want themselves to be represented in your brand. Let's just say umuntu ufuna ukunincedisa ngesomething. Abeselinika ama-conditions that are contrary to your beliefs. Those are some of the unsaid pressures. And amanye ama-pressure lawana ukuthi the fact that you are in front of people's eyes, ukuthi uhlala ukhangelwe ngabantu, it's not an easy thing because senzile athe su-10 is 10th anniversary.
Yes.
Without being said, people have the next expectation already.
Yes.
So now you have to always be in touch with your spirit. You have to be in touch. There has to be something that drives you. You have to have the right people around you as well. Or even when you do well, they know how to help you to manage yourself, to manage the attention. Sometimes you do very bad, but now when you do it bad, we are doing it in front of people because abantu sebekwazi. That's another pressure as well, whereby you tell umuntu engaba le pressure, they just fall apart. Ele potential vele kasavuki futhi just because they just had one bad turn. So ama-pressure lawa ayabuya, and also managing people is like one of the.
So how do you do, like maybe managing people? You're in a space involved about sisi kakhulu. A lot can be, and obviously a lot is being said about umdlazi lamankazana. How do you manage that?
All right. You one thing that you will know and learn is that you can never manage what people say. You understand? Now you touched on ukuthi EVX ilamantombazana. Esikolo, where you went to school, kulamantombazana. Angithi? Osebenza abantu nje emsebenzini kuthiwa ubani usebenza
kulabantu. An environment.
You understand? So it's always like that. The difference is where I work with people that stand in front of people. So then it can be discussed with kula mantombazane because I am still on stage with a team of people. But esikolo, that environment esikolo emsebenzini, even la ku-VX, is not different. It's not different. It's like asking me, Uti, how do you handle yourself? Or how did you handle yourself when you were at poly? How did you handle yourself when you were in church? It's the same thing. There is no special discussion about it. And okunye kwakhona yazi ukuthi mina sengiphilela abantu. I appreciate and I thank so many pastors that open their doors to me. Say, "Mdlazi, woza ngapha. Can you teach my choir this? I do and share knowledge." So obviously we are popular.
Yes, in a way.
Then when you are popular, you can never help some things. Do you know what I can walk here ngizidlulela? Uza umntu omntwana we-VX umbone ehamba ngenyawo. But someone else can pass the same way and it's not discussed. I can walk with someone in town.
Yes.
It becomes an issue. Usipho mayehamba lo munye umuntu akulandayo.
Yes,
You
I would
understand?
probably, yes.
So when you understand those dynamics, it's crazy that it really does bother you. But now you learn from that. You realize ukuthi, you know what? Maybe impilo yami ayisekho normal. I have to mind where I walk, what I eat, who I hang out with, where I hang out. I don't just carry myself. You have to be responsible for so many things because if you can't help, especially uma uwumuntu ohlele emehlweni abantu, you have to just manage yourself in a manner that you become exemplary. So ngathola ukuthi even now, if you really zoom into that question, it's just like you commenting on let's say Manchester City poster about Haaland. Ufake comment yakho eyasidlisa lo just because maybe bamposta ethiwa imota. It's just what
It's just like that.
Yes.
So now a lot of people, like a lot of individuals, have broken away from Vocal X. Abanye ngesihle, abanye ngesibi, umdlazi kabhadali, umdlazi uyasebenzisa. How have you handled that also?
Yeah, some of these things are an issue to people, but not to me, or not just me, but people with an interest in the team or people who have not just an interest, but people who are in the team itself. Remember this. A team is made up of a number of people. Asithi bangu 10. 5 bethamba bhatal, 5 bengela problem. Ngupho right.
Vele sesile confusion khona
You understand what you're. But now let's talk and understand things from honesty and fairness. Do you understand?
Yes.
Right now, sometimes someone can say that to me. I can listen to you and embrace what you're saying, whether you're hate or I'm hate. But I also then do my homework. I check for other groups. And okay, usipule group, and you kwenza njani, lami ngiyenza. Ucheke lo, then you find a lot of people are actually facing the same thing like me. But maybe owami get discuss one more because him mphambi wabantu or engiyabe ngiyazwa more than someone else.
Yes.
But now when it comes to that as well, kulezinto that I may be at liberty to share and some they are sensitive, but what I can share is a team, for example, Tina right now, in all of our 10 years of existence, we've never had a sponsor.
Okay.
Whatever you see us do is just us ourselves. Do you understand? So we take care of the team. A team also it's got internal structures. Whereby kulomntu ophethe lo, kulomntu ophethe lo, kulomntu ophethe lo, kulomntu. Omunye umuntu la kusungamtshela ukuthi lokho akuyenzi. In truth, but kuye nje mina ngithe. But you cannot help it. And like okunye yabona Sipho, siyakhuluma sisiyakuphi, but ithi ikhona. Why is it not dying?
Yes.
Kulabantu,
Consistency has been
you understand?
there for 10 years now.
Yes. Khathi uyathutha omunye uthi angimbhadali. But do you know kulomunye umuntu uyafana uthi sethi ngithunceku. Mdlazi mina wahlangana lami endaweni enje ngingayazwa ngumuntu. Wangithatha wangigezisa wamfundisa ungangibhadalisanga. And now sengile nto yami ebambekayo, I appreciate you. There are people like that. Kulo munye umuntu ofika 2 months abese busithi kanti ngiyahola nini. So for me now, I then embrace, and people like the example I gave you, these are people that then surround me because they also know there are people like that.
Yes.
So when you ask this, we abuse systems, we abuse people, we come into systems with unsaid expectations. Umuntu ahlale nxa esafunda, nxa esathola ama-connection, aka-complain lapha, u-right. Ungamfaka laphana, abone laphana, umtshengise lokhu, umfundise lokhu, awu-right. The moment they can now, sephenduka futhi kuwe, kanti mina so it will always be
something that is always there.
Yeah, but now also like as an institution, I'll tell you the truth. There are people who have come of knowledge of such issues, which is and we protect ourselves because we know institution yet what it can give or what it can build in someone. So maungena, let's clear discussions, expectations. You understand? So that before you jump into anything later, we go back to where we started. So masihlangana laphana sipho, what do you expect from me? Mfuna 1 2 3. Thina sikutshela nxa singahlangani vele.
Kube clear.
Yeah.
Yes.
Because these things, we should be careful on what is true and what is just mere speculation or someone's personal view.
Yes.
Because some views really have no knowledge to back it up.
Yes.
Because it's like we are utela say 3 liters emgqonyeni. Usuthi nxa uthulula ufuna ukuthulula i-10 liters ukwazi ukuthi uthele 3. Doesn't matter.
So the next 10 years, I just feel like 10 years, Katias.
Yeah.
What can we expect for the next 10 years from Vocal X?
Musically first. Mina I'll always say ukuthi I feel like I grow every day. One of the funny things that happened was when I was revisiting songs, like when I was preparing for the 10th anniversary. You go back to a song that you did 7 years ago, you'll be like, then that's how you realize you're growing. So I think musically, even how the team is like now, it's difficult to move over years because I'm saying it's 10 years, but it's 5 generations. And those 5 generations, it's not ukuthi ngabantu abasuke kubi. No. First generations, ngabo Chelsea Caesar, abo Ncegu, Oluku, they are still there. Not even one single problem. You go to the next generation. So I thought even some of these commotions, those kuluma, it's just maybe one generation that just wanted to.
Abafika kuphela umlilo usuvutha. Sefuna ukukhipha isikhuni.
Yes. Uthole ukuthi even the other people who have always been there, like, kanti what's going on? So, but let's not make it political because I will always also say this, ngakakhulumi ngombuzo we 10 years.
Yes.
When someone has when someone expresses a concern or ati umenze something, I don't brush it off. I really sit down and think about it. Because I actually let that person near me without knowing what they want.
Oh.
So maybe uqinisile mayefuna something because we didn't clear that. Now we are assuming and I'm assuming. But now sesibona ukuthi no, vela sizusana from the first day.
Yes.
But after I explain to you, I let you go. What you choose to be and say that I cannot help. But the truth is, number 2, sesithi samaphambili. I think from a musical perspective, why I was saying this thing is generational is because I think each generation esesilayo futhi abanye bakhona right now, they have seen the past ones. Standards have been set. So umuntu ongenayo already awuqali phansi.
Wants to be njengomuntu.
You have to get better. Number 1, number 2. We've realized the importance of working over my relations, whether they're internal or whether they're external. External, it means the churches we go to as members, as individuals. Okay. It means umphakathi lapho esiphuma khona sonke. It means our parents. abazali bethu, whether someone is in the team married or umuntu ule nguye obheka abanawo wakhe. That's another thing that we realized as a team. Umphakathi ngosenzileyo, and we need to see ways of how to also reach out and also be socially responsible to that level. But also musical, I feel also we've been challenged so much in the sense yokuthi abantu abasihambelayo musically.
Okay.
You will never have someone like, say, Everton, Lalas, Kenan Nyati, Take Show, all these people. Bekubuyele behambe bengakubelieve what you're doing.
Yes.
So their involvement in your system is a reflection of respecting. What you know what, we see your potential if nxa kuthiwa usase potential.
Yes.
Mase kuthiwa uyayenza something sokucaca. You then have to have the knowledge to be responsible for that which we are now doing well. Then now you say that you maintain that or you make it better. So
Yes.
musically as well, I think that's one of our biggest issues now, where we feel we need to move to the next level.
And you're telling me what now? For all these past 10 years in the operator, there is no sponsor on that.
I'll say yes, but I don't think it's a Vocalex issue.
Thing. Yes.
It's like a music industry issue.
Okay.
Yes, it's a music industry issue. And one of the things that I've learned, ukuthi singabe singaba kubulawayo, but the gifts you should realize and learn, ukuthi let not where you come from be the
Define.
you understand, be the perimeter. So okunye with time, because sometimes I want to say siyakhuluma ngokuthi ama-sponsors, they have expectations.
Also.
Maybe thina lathi we have not set ourselves right to be appealing enough. I'm not sure of amanye ama-musicians in Bulawayo who have this privilege, but we seek to also learn, you understand? So when we say ukuthi what's happening in the next 10 years, I feel the past 10 years, of that 10 years too, we know there was a lockdown, obviously. So
Yes.
in operation, it's been 8 years of changing generations.
Yes.
Omunye uyashada, omunye uyasebenza, abanye baphumelile, especially after lockdown.
Yes.
I think 3/4 of the choir left the country. Those are things that we face as a team.
Yes.
So when someone then comes emucha, sumele ungani uyiqala phansi.
Phansi,
Ibizo
every time.
likhona, yes. But you have to khuluma
There's
fresh.
new members that are coming in.
Yeah. So these are some of the things that I feel have been a challenge, but it's slowly kuyabe kuhlangana, because lockdown la yabona even people who were in business, whatever business, waqala ku slow, but it comes back ukuthi kubuyele lapho kukhona. So I think that's just that. And another thing also, mina, I will always say, on my first year, on my second year,
Yes.
if I made mistakes, I appreciate them, because my knowledge at the time,
Yes. Lawo kwakujuma.
kwabe kuyisikhathi sakhona, but you use that experience. You understand?
Yes.
That's why when people try to raise issues of
So that
conflict,
like you didn't expect it will grow this much.
I was excited about the next day. It's always about the next day. Like I wanna mind, I did 10th anniversary. There's the next thing I'm doing. I'm excited about that. When you do the next thing right, it will build the next thing right as well. Before you know it, you have a story for the year. You understand? Okunye, when we are nominated Guma Awards, like uyabona ukuthi you're doing something right. So I mean, I've never been really someone who regretayo.
Yes.
Of course, Lamina was at a human level. I made human mistakes. Not as a person, ngingakathi musically, as a person, but also as a music leader. Doesn't mean I'm perfect, even in my music. But when I make a mistake, I think it's just like everyone else. And
is long pillar.
yes, and I don't allow someone to abuse me with the language of failure, where you want to constantly remind me, phela laphana wena wenza, so uzwile ukuthi ubani u10 uthi ukhulumile, but can you talk about the ones that say something right?
True.
You understand?
Yes.
If I made a musical mistake before, I learned from it. Let's look out for the next song. That's how I always do it. If ngixabana lo Sinanzeni, what made me ngixabana lo Sinanzeni? I fixed the next thing. So it's a constant way. It's like there's a consistency of always self-discovery, not just me as a leader, but even in group ngokwayo.
Yes.
It's not a perfect one, just like any other group.
Yes.
Akula group be perfect.
Yes.
But in the walk we walk into perfection as we move ngesikhathi.
Yes. And in terms of collaborations, what would it take for someone to collaborate the Vocal X?
There's something that when you're now asking a question engiyikhumbulile, yabona also from the like when we lose saying what you're looking forward to the next
Yes.
yilokhu zen.
Umdlazi senza njengotsho umuntu abantu abastikayo ukuthi yathi ethanda aqala thula ukhangele uthi sithi banjani abanye sekhona sithi ethanda.
Kanjeni, yeah.
Yes.
No, but this is in connection now to come to indaba
Yes, yama collaborations. Yes.
Eh,
And then so indaba yama collaborations in the next 10 years.
yeah.
Okay.
But that next 10 years also is birthed by the past 10 years.
Okay.
Khonokho ukuthi I named specific people. Oqala babe belihambela because they want to support your growth. But it gets to a place where you realize lapha sengifike ku level where I can, like, now there's a song eka Mama Muka egu number 1 on Skies on the gospel charts. We collaborated lo Mama Muka. So now we're at a level where sokulento ezinjalo. Now when we had our 10th anniversary concert, we recorded a song with Everton Mlalas. So it's something that is coming up. So our collaborations, and Mina, I'm really grateful also for my experiences, because some of these things that I feel we make and we call them mistakes, or what people end up
Lessons.
glorify, it's lack of knowledge. But when you then get the knowledge, you know how to protect yourself first, you know how to manage the music. And I was exposed, for example, Guma PA Awards, where I'm used to vocal X, but all of a sudden, subontu msizike usebenza njani, subontu mzo7 usebenza njani, subontu sisendru usebenza njani. You learn the professional and the art side of things. So mawuso sithi uqhubeka phambili ngomsebenzi, it registers to you ukuthi, you know what, alaphana ngangisegangeni laba. So our collaborations also, I feel also is what I'll then speak to umphakathi in general ngawo ukuthi,
Yes.
Tina, as a team, we're open to them, but let those be what also we represent. We're a Christian group. So Master Citizens are a collaboration. We don't want it to kube ngani sokule conflict of interest, whereby, like, I'm not saying I'm judge anyone. I'm not
Yes.
here to judge anyone. But I'm also
Judge them. Same from for sure. You can judge.
but I'm just saying, Guti, like, it's my, like, I'm a grounding a team yet is based on what? It's a Christians, a group of young Christians, and that's what we represent. So whoever wants to collaborate, like, we let them know to be of this knowledge.
Okay.
Something that really contradicts even who we are as people. But collaborations are always there for growth, for networking, and we are open to them.
Wow.
And also, in 2019, before lockdown, there was the old Mutual Amazing Voices.
Okay.
So we went to audition Tina as Vocal X, and we went to represent Zimbabwe in South Africa. The Focus a cappella, the Family Voices. So we're
Yes.
there competing with groups from SA, Kenya, and Ghana. It was an eye opener, Baba. Like, it was.
What share from Dada?
You understand that you come from Zim, Tina Sasam 8, Family Voices, Lawe, I think there's 7 or 8. Focus a cappella, the same number. South Africa, it also, Ama group say 3. So every country.
It was a
Yeah. So you can imagine we are in a competition where you are even judged. Ngama judges from Ghana, UK, and whatnot. And these groups won't go 12. All of them can sing and sing maybe equally well, or even much better. It opens your eyes. You come back home with a different way of thinking. As in my chance, we think this is it. But
it's not it.
sisadlala. So mina yabona nxa ngikhuluma nge-10 years, there are some things that when we talk about the next 10 years, if someone wants to discuss them with me, I feel they're a waste of time, because I realize ukuthi ala sikhuluma ngento vele engasisiziyo sonke. Kulabantu abasebenzayo phandle la. uyangizwe ngikutshoyo. So some of these toxic uthi ubani uthini ubani uthe uhambe ngaphi, people that are
yes.
doing the real stuff, they have no time for that.
Yes.
So when you then uzehlise lawe, and this is I think this is also now I'm trying to inspire my friends, my brothers and sisters out there. Tina, we call it street talk. Ubona ukuthi usipho uhambe lo bani, usipho ube
into
izikole.
ezingenamsebenzi.
That Lokana, it doesn't make you write a song. It doesn't make you people follow and
Organize
love
a
you.
show.
It doesn't. It's not productive.
Do you get to tell people, do you get an opportunity to tell or share with your peers what it takes to actually organize a show?
I actually do to those that want, like ungabona mina when I have concerts.
I know the pressure
You
there.
understand? Yeah, I usually give the first hour to ama groups asafuna ukuhloma ukuqala like from scratch, without giving them pressure of organizing, but bebe ku environment liana ele pressure where you will just gather to come and watch. Khona kuyana kuyabavusa kuyabaphakamisa, and when someone is asking for knowledge, you know what is just like networking. Uyamtshela umuntu. Those are discussions that are healthy.
Yes.
Not leziyana ezinye sokungani
Yes.
sesingani sesise yabone emsikeni
Sesendabeni zabantu.
Yeah.
Yes.
Umuntu ugqokeni, ubona ukuthi uhamba lo bani, umfazi wakhe mbani, uhlala ngaphi. Guys, come
So when
on.
the past 10 years, which year can you say, my gents, that was the time of my life?
In a good way or in a bad way?
Both ways. But I want the good way. Yo, like
And I think for me,
yes,
this is me.
Yes, for Vocal X, under Vocal X.
Yeah, I think the biggest year for me was 2022. Yabonti, as a choir leader, there are things that you desire for your team. Mina, my experience, for example, has taken me to places whereby people see what I can do with a vocal team. Maybe bakubize ema-church, sometimes someone pays the plane ticket ethi ubuye eGoli or ubuye eAngola ubuye eNamibia because they've seen. But now when you have that experience, I spoke about going for Old Mutual. I went with 8 people, but the choir will have 32. Okay. So for them to really understand what you have seen, it takes them to experience it. So when I talk of 2022, Janet Manyo, I think was the one over the first one here, we were there, Mlalazi, we were there. And also, we went to Harare for their 15th year anniversary.
Yes.
There was joyous celebration. And I know abantu basekhaya, especially Gwabulawayo, they listen a lot to joyous.
Yes.
Eric was still with us. And it was an opportunity for us as friends, Minanzawe VX, which was allowed us to be in the program. We were there. Ujabu Hlongwane allowed us also to be in the environment. Sahlangane, Vocal X, joyous. We mingled, they asked questions, abantwana. It was sort of like a workshop kind of thingy. So it did a lot for them. And for me now, it was a highlight because now when they are singing on stage, you listen to them different when you also know and speak to them at human level, because they will tell you, so this is how we do it. It's different from me taking a joyous celebration song and just giving tilalala. Because you demand something of you, but you don't understand. But when you get someone who actually sings the particular song, so everything which Sipo enzakalayo it has a purpose.
Yes. Nothing in Zagala just for my heart.
There's nothing. Mina, people sometimes are surprised. I'm a very calm character.
Too much.
Umuntu yabuya nje. Sometimes even with like great news, I appreciate it. Nyayivuma. But it puts me in a place where I'm like, umuntu lo phela umkhulu on trust I need to go and work. Kubuye omnye le ndaba zakhe nje ezingazwakali eziqandayo. Still it hits my attention. Umuntu lo ukhuluma into engani igangile. Who else is near me ongani uyingozi? Then you mind who is around you. Because okunye yabona into like when you talk of pressure, when you talk of the next 10 years, mina now what I do even with my team, I'll tell you now, angihlali labo and just teach music. We talk of life. What kind of friends do you have? Ubulapha ubungekho kuVX, ipressure uyibona. But the moment you start singing, people start to know you. You'll get some attention okokuthi if you don't know how to handle it. Angithi abantu bazokudlala ngawe. So you have to teach people that.
Haven't there been individuals abaphuma kuwe, particularly nje mina ngithanda indaba zabantu. Particularly haven't there been abantu abaphuma kuwe bekhulume kubi. Then they come back, they say, Amebras, I think I made a mistake.
All right, I will share some of these things, but without mentioning anyone, and also without trying to be political.
Yes.
Yes, and also I'm saying this because I always want to respond and create an environment where even umuntu kuthiwa wenza a mistake, when we talk about it, we are not judging them.
Yes.
Abanye abantu, they make mistakes because of lack of knowledge.
Yes.
Or ukuyengwa. You understand? That's why ukuthi uthole umntanami mina ngimthole esebhema imbanje. Ngiyamshaya ngempama. But imele nanzelele or find out ukuthi umntwana lana vele mbani. You love your kid back. Abe right. But ungahle umcrush uyahlahlala embanjeni khona ngani. So in teams like ours, as I told you, it's not only centered around VX. Kulama choirs Zimbabwe la. Some prominent. Some of them are my friends, are my leaders. Ngimbuze situation efana le yami. Bekuthi lathi kuyaye kwayenzakala. Which means these things ukuthi kuthiwa lo muntu ophuma ekhuluma kubi. It's just human nature. There is no place that is perfect where kuthiwa laphana uzayo ube lo muntu ophuma engakhulumanga.
Yeah, imbuzo ukuthi bayaphenduka yini befike bethi Mebras ziyabuya ngale phandle. We appreciate what you did ngangananzeleli.
There are people who come back like that, but now esebuya like so yabona ukuthi yabona umuntu mayebuye engumuntu engasakulandi with the status ukuthi mina ngumbudu wakhe ngumna wakhe o ngaye ngasebenza la. Just said human nature ayazi lapana, it was a wrong turn. The fact that they realize that, you realize it begins a healing process, even of a relationship, how you relate with that person. Bakhona mina nginje I've ngaphuma kwezinye indawo ngakhuba abanye abantu, where I go back to them lapana ngayilahla nje.
Yes.
Even umuntu who is ophansi kwami mthethe lapana ngakuphambanisa, I'm sorry. So it has happened. Kuyenzakala ku-industry yethu ye-music where abantu bayahwatshana, ukuhwatshana kungakhulunyiswana even for months, but I feel also that way for yourself, for your growth. Relationships in this industry are very important. So you try as much as possible to always be in good books with people.
Yes.
That's why I want to
Of which sometimes is close to impossible.
It's close to impossible because that's just one piece.
They are here for problems.
Yeah, and I'm here. I want to cause commotion.
Yes.
But now when you see such a person, you don't give them information to use. In as much as you just let it be, because when you respond, it's like I'm a bullet, ammunition with So, but industry, it needs you to be a very humble person. I mean, even asked when we have our concerts, kulabantu abayenza sound, kulabantu kuyabe kulama-journalists sometimes. Give them their time. Engathi can I have 5 minutes?
Ukhulume la.
Yehla ungaphaphi ufika someone bekubuze 1 or 2. You lose nothing. That person can make you young, understand. They can write a story that may be read by someone who ngeke uhlangane laye.
Yes.
Someone wenza ama-lights cabanga uzoyenza ama-lights ku-concert yakho ulokhu umhamba uyabe lokhu eciche light ezicithela intando yakhe.
Have you had that kind of sabotage before? So abantu sebeke bacomplaina ngakho phela ukuthi kwamanye ama-concerts.
No, I've seen
Kwabanye abantu.
Yes, but I always try with even before we do any production, I literally sit down with the technical team and make sure we're on the same page. So when I'm singing and doing my thing, he is excited about doing whatever they're doing because ngimhloniphile. Ngiyangizwa ngikutsho. But ungathi mina I'm the star here. Mic yakhe yablokhu iciche light uzathi ngiyi-concert yonke. You understand? It's like that. That's why I'm saying with him, respect is everything, bafo. Like angazi ezinye izinto yabona uthini mina ngiyabe ngizibona from my level of seeing things, But some people, that's why I bet common sense I call common.
Common, yes.
I've discovered it.
Yes.
So environment you are just all over the place. It's not an environment where you just make unnecessary. Try as much as possible to make peace when and where you can.
Yes.
Lapana nje ubonti lo umuntu yirayoti.
Yes.
Just build a fence and
Mdlazi siyabonga kakhulu. Thank you so much for kuba ku Form Film for Show.
Form Film for Show.
Yes, enkundleni exclusive. Karikoti. Xa ngile chair yami enkulumana eyayikhuluma kakhulu sasithandana. So uyangivumela ukuthi ngithi yi Vocal X.
Aba for okukusebenzelayo.
Yes. Danke siyabonga Mdlazi. Oh, sorry. Like where can people ama-bookings bawenzela nga?
On our social handles on Facebook, and to be specific, akhona ma contact details there. There's also our email, the Vocalex Choir Official at gmail.com.
Okay.
US email akhona pan. Those are our official communication lines.
Yes. Akula phone number.
Yeah, in number yana. Yo wambuza on the spot. We recently changed the number, my bookings. So
okay.
It's shy, but the email is the one that I said. The Vocalex Choir Official at gmail.com.
Okay.
It's there on our Facebook page.
Yes.
Yeah, then that's how you can communicate and contact us.
Danke siyabonga. The Form Film for Show. Shout out to all vocal X's.
Siyabonga.
Yeah. Danke ngiyabonga for all your professional photos and visuals. Dep 3 Events got you. Are you having a wedding, Baba? Birthday, graduation, church conferences, amen. Corporate events, even sadly a funeral. In need of photography, visual services, worry no more. This week, I visited Dep 3 Event Studios to do a photo shoot. Baba ngabangena. Kwamoshakala pose. Kikwikak. Flashy lights, konapa wabulawayo. Ungasondela lawo bakuthwebule. Joshua Nkomo Street between 14th and 15th Avenue. 0716-919-313. Dep 3 Events, your satisfaction our priority.